See, good morning to all. Today we are going to see L2 is the driver and UL203 interface with microcontrollers. So as shown in the slide, L293 is a high current half H driver IC. So in this you will have 4 drives. Using 4 drives you can drive maximum 2 motors, DC motors. For that you will have the input 1A, and whatever the input you are giving at 1A TTL input plus 5 volt, you will get the output at 1Y. Like that 2A, 2Y. 3A, 3Y, and 4A, 4Y, and ground is pin number 4 and 5, and 13 and 12. And pin number 8 is the VCC2 for suppose you need output at 12 volt, means you can just give 12 volt DC power supply to the pin number 8. Suppose you need the output 18 volt, means just connect 18 volt to the pin number 8. And pin number 60 is VCC, operating voltage, just connect to plus 5 volt DC. Apart from that, the enable pins are there. See, for 2 drives, one enable pin number 1 is for 2 drives 1A and 2A, and another one more enable pin is there for another 2 pair of drives 3A and 4A. Okay, now we will see that how you just connect the motors and specification of L293. L293 is wide supply voltage range is output voltage is from 4.5 volt to 36 volt. Internal ESD production is there, thermal shutdown is there, output current maximum 600 milliamps per channel. L293 is designed to provide bidirectional drive currents of up to 600 milliamps at voltages from 4.5 volt to 36 volt. L293 is designed to drive inductive loads such as relays, solenoids, DC and bipolar stepping motors, as well as other high current, high voltage loads in positive supply applications. Now you are seeing that to connect a DC motor for bidirectional and same time for unidirectional. See, left side you have one motor is connected to driver 1 and driver 2. Positive of one motor is connected to driver 1, negative of same motor is connected to driver 2. So at input 1A, if you make plus 5 volt, you will get output as plus 2 volt, and same time another input if you make 0, you will get output driver to 0 volt. So motor will rotate clockwise. If you reverse the power supply in input, automatically motor will rotate anti-clockwise. So if you want to drive your motor in bidirectional, you need 2 drives. Suppose you need to drive your motor in unidirectional, that is only one direction, means one drive is enough. So output of one drive is just connected to DC motor, positive or negative. Another end of the motor is just connected ground. So automatically motor will rotate one direction. That also is shown in the right side of the motors. So in that motor one end is connected to ground, another end is connected to output of the driver. So driver 4 input if you make plus 5 volt, automatically you will get the 12 volt positive of the motor. So the motor will start to rotate in clockwise. Okay, this is for how to interface a motor. The next slide, this is a circuit diagram for L293 connected in a robot, okay, along with the 2 motors. So motor 1, motor 2. Motor 1 positive negative is connected to 1Y and 2Y, and motor 2 positive negative is connected to 3Y and 4Y respectively. For drive this motor, input of the driver L293 1A, 2A and 3A, 4A is connected to PIC microcontroller RB4, RB5, RB6, RB7 or any IO port. Even you just connect it to GPIO ports of Raspberry Pi plus RB, any board, any microcontroller. Okay, see, this IC need TTL inputs plus 5 volt. Based on the input high or low, this driver IC will give 0 to maximum 36 volt. For that, whatever voltage you are connecting at pin number 8, based on that you will give the output voltage. Next diagram, this is a PIC SysNF 877A is connected ports, IO port is connected to input of the L293 driver IC. Pin number 1 is reset MCLR, it's connected to 4.7K resistance, same time it's connected to reset switch, and pin number 13 and 12 is connected to crystal oscillator. You can use any crystal oscillator from 4 MHz, 10 MHz, 16 MHz, 20 MHz, and PIC pin number 11 and 32 is positive and 12 and 31 is ground, it is connected. Okay, now through software, how you can write a software. Before writing the software, just prepare the truth table. This is the truth table for robot movement. Suppose I am using L2 to drive 2 motors in a robot, means just I connect 2 motors of my robot. Now these motors I connect to one motor, I take M1 at output of L293 1Y, 2Y, and another motor I will take and I will connect to output of 3Y and 4Y, positive and negative respectively. Now I just connect my IO port of my microcontroller and I may input 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A as 1010, means at output I will get plus 2 volt, 0 volt, plus 2 volt, 0 volt. So my motor will rotate clockwise, because my both motors of my robot positive will get plus 2 volt, negative will get 0 volt. So it is, so motor is in position to rotate in clockwise, so my robot will move forward movement, will do forward movement. For that I need to send AA from my microcontroller. So in here lower byte only 4 bits only needed, then why we need another 4 bits? See, if you write a software, higher byte also means you need to do feature. If you add 2 motors means you just do some modifications like adding one driver IC. Okay, that is the requirement. Okay, that is the requirement. Okay, now next is input is if I make input 0 1 0 1, then I will get the output 0 volt 12 volt 0 volt 12 volt. So my robot will rotate in reverse direction because my polarity got changed. So for that I need to send 5 5. Next is if I make my input 0 0 1 0 means my robot output, my robot motor will get 0 0 volt. So my left motor will stop and right motor will rotate. So my robot will take left turn. Suppose I need make movement in right turn means I will apply input 1 0 0 0. So I will get the output plus 12 0 volt and 0 0 0. So my robot will move in, my robot will take right turn. So for that I need to send 8 8. Suppose I need to make a robot to rotate in same place, that is 360 degree. So I am in a position to apply inputs 1A 2A 3A 4A as 1001. So if I apply inputs 1001, I will get the output plus 12 volt 0 volt plus 12 volt. So my robot will rotate 360 degree. For that I need to send 99. Okay, this is about L293D. Next is we will see ULM203 driver IC. Okay, ULM203 driver IC for relay, for relay, to drive relay. Mainly we are using in embedded system for driving relay. Okay, so in this ULM203 you have the inputs in input 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and corresponding output is out 1 out 2 out 3 out 4 out 5 out 6 out 7. So you will get, if you give input 0 means you will give output plus 12 volt. If you give input is 5 volt means you get the output 0 volt. For that pin number 9 you need to give the voltage 12 volt means 12 volt. You need 18 volt means you just connect pin number 9 18 volt. Pin number 8 is ground with respect to ground. So the specification of ULM203 is 7 Darlington per packet, output current 500 milliamps per driver, output voltage 50 volt maximum, TTL compatible inputs 5 volt. This driver IC is useful to drive DC relays, solenoids, LED displays, filament lamps, thermal printers, high power buffers. Now this is the diagram. Okay, how to connect ULM203 to a relay. So if you take any relay, you will have a relay coil. So as shown in this slide, one end is connected to ground, another end I connected output of my ULM203 driver. So input of the driver is connected to my IO port. See, for driving one relay, one it is enough. So RD0 of my PIC microcontroller is connected to input of my ULM203. Through my microcontroller, if you make input of my driver IC as 0 means I get output 12 volt. If I apply D volt 12 volt at pin number 9. So if relay coil already one end is connected to ground, another end if relay coil got plus 12 volt from the ULM203, so immediately relay coil will be energized. If relay coil is energized means normally closed become open and normally open become closed. So I can use my relay for switching application. For that I just make a IVIT low to high or high low. So I will switch on my relay so that I can trigger a circuit or I can get a solenoid or solenoid coil or anything can do. So I can use ULM203 for maximum application in embedded system. We are using to drive relay or LED display or to open the solenoid valves. Even when using 4 relays, you can drive a DC bus also. That also you can do. Okay, thank you. So if you have any doubts to interface ULM203 and L293 in embedded system, make a call. I am Selvaraj. My phone number is +91 is my country code. Plus we are India, Chennai. So my phone number is along with 9962528447 and one more number is 988470145. Any doubts, any query, call us. Okay, we are ready to train you. We are ready to assist you. We are ready to guide you. So even for your product you want to develop, for that also cost 988470145. Thank you, Sir.